Want to earn money on YouTube without showing your face? Here's how YouTube automation really works. YouTube automation is a method of creating videos without appearing on camera. AI tools can help you write scripts, generate voiceovers, create visuals, and edit videos quickly. The first step is choosing a profitable niche such as AI, technology, finance, education, health, or motivation. Focus on one niche and upload consistently. Next, use AI tools. ChatGPT can help you write scripts. AI voice generators can create natural voiceovers. Image generators can produce attractive visuals. And CapCut makes editing fast and simple. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Write SEO-friendly titles and descriptions, and upload high-quality videos regularly. Once your channel meets YouTube's monetization requirements, you can earn through ads. You can also make money with affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling digital products. Remember, YouTube automation is not a shortcut to success. Quality content, consistency, and patience are the keys to building a profitable channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.